Namaste to all. My name is Anuradha Chatterjee. Welcome to my channel. At the request of some of the viewers, I would like to share today the origin and meaning of one of the most popular and powerful hymns, mantras, chanted widely, the name of which is Mahamrityunjay Mantra. The name comes from the Sanskrit Maha meaning great, Mrityu meaning death, Jaya meaning victory. It is also called Trayambakam Mantra. Trayambakam means three-eyed one, Lord Shiva. Mahamrityunjay Mantra is considered as the most dynamic and extremely powerful mantra for healing, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It has been composed by Rishi Markandeya and also found in Rig Veda and Yajur Veda. Mahamrityunjay Mantra has various forms and names. One of them is Rudra Mantra. Rudra is Lord Shiva's most furious form. The other one is Trayambakam Mantra, referring to Lord Shiva's three eyes. It is also referred as Mrita Sanjivani Mantra, as its main component is immortality. But for practical aspect, we have chosen Trayambakam Yajamahe. According to Vedas and Purans, reciting this mantra prevents premature death and problems. By regular chanting Mahamrityunjay Mantra with complete devotion, one can also be guarded from an untimely death, critical illness, fatal disease, mental depression, and evil spirits, which are some of the prime benefits of Mahamrityunjay Mantra. There is a famous legend related to this topic. Let's listen to it. Many years ago, there was a noble rishi named Mrikanda, whose one of the problems in life was he was childless. The rishi and his wife performed so many penances for a child, and as a result of the penance, they were blessed with a son. Rishi named his son Markandeya. When Markandeya was born, the astrologer informed Rishi that Markandeya's life period will be only of 12 years. Markandeya was not knowing of this fact, and even the Rishi did not find it appropriate to tell him. When Markandeya grew up and became mature enough to understand things, then Rishi told him about the reality of his life period of 12 years, and along with it, he gave a Bij mantra to worship Lord Shiva and said to him that now only Lord Shiva could protect him from the fear of death. And accordingly, Markandeya started worshipping Lord Shiva. When Markandeya's time of death arrived, Yamraja came there to take away his life. Markandeya got scared seeing him. He immediately hugged Shivling. At that moment, suddenly Lord Shiva appeared there and compelled Yamraja to return and blessed Markandeya to become immortal. This story is also described in Markandeya Puran. Now, let's know this mantra and what does it mean. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam ऊर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यामामृतात्. Om. Om meaning eternal. Sat Chait Ananda. Truth, consciousness, bliss. The absolute, supreme consciousness. Trayambakam. Try meaning three. Ambak meaning eye. Trayambakam. The three-eyed Lord Shiva. Yajamahe. Yaja meaning to worship. So we hereby do worship you. Sugandhim, who is similar to a sweet fragrance. Pushtihi, meaning nourishment, nourishing our body, mind and prana. Vardhanam, meaning increasing. Pushti Vardhanam, meaning the one who is increasing our health, wealth and well-being. Urva Rukamiva, just like the ripe fruit or a cucumber separates itself from the stem of the plant and falls down. Bandhanan, meaning bondage or attachment. Today our attachments have made us suffer. Urva Rukamiva Bandhanan. So we are praying to Lord Shiva, you help us detach from all our illness, sufferings, sorrows and attachments, like how the ripe fruit or a cucumber separates itself from the stem. Mrityu, meaning death. Moksha, meaning liberation. So Mrityor Moksha, we are praying to Lord Shiva that you liberate us from the fear of death, especially the pain of an untimely death. Ma, meaning not. Amritat, meaning from attaining salvation or liberation. So Mamritat, we are praying again to Lord Shiva that you liberate us from death, but not from the immortality. We cannot sing the mantra. As soon as we start singing the mantra, the purity of the mantra fades away. Then it becomes a song, but not the mantra. So when we are chanting in a proper intonation, then we will tune our mind into the frequency where we receive the energy when we are chanting. It helps us to overcome difficulties in life. It also activates the nervous system. Mrityunjay mantra explains this. May Lord Shiva bless all of you. Thank you for watching. Namaste.